Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm not here with any food recipe. I'm going to show you how to make fresh homemade coriander powder. Homemade masalas will have a longer shelf life and it remains fresh. Here I have 1 kg of cleaned coriander seeds. Make sure you cleaned it very well before roasting. We need 1½ cup of fresh curry leaves, which will give a nice aroma for this spice powder. So let's start dry roasting these coriander seeds. For this I am using a heavy bottom pan. Along with this I am adding some fresh curry leaves. It may take almost 10 to 15 minutes. Keep the flame medium. Roast it until coriander seeds will get browned and crisp in texture. Keep on stirring. There are chances it may get burnt. Most of the time I prepare coriander powder like this. It remains fresh for almost 6 months. Once it starts to release a nice fragrance, you can keep it aside and then switch off the flame and allow this to cool down completely. So curry leaves and coriander seeds roasted really well. So this is the right time to switch off the flame. So this is so aromatic. So let it cool down completely. After that we need to dry grind this one. We need to powder this one. Using a grinder I am making a smooth fine coriander powder. So homemade flavorful aromatic coriander powder is ready. You can use it for any kind of dishes like chicken curry, spicy veg masala curry and all. Hope you liked today's video. Until next time, bye bye.